The annual safety checks determine if your vehicle is safe to drive by looking at things like your tires, brakes, and seat belts.
We do see those situations where tires are either worn or brakes are not stopping in a certain distance or the horn is not working or lights are not working.
Supporters of the bill say safety inspections are a scam.
Texas is one of only 11 states that still requires an annual safety inspection for passenger vehicles.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, in today's video, Governor Greg Abbott aims to abolish the mandatory annual vehicle safety inspection in Texas starting in 2025. And this has raised concerns among auto repair shops with fears of adverse impacts on their businesses. Now, these safety inspections designed to assess vehicle components like brakes and tires are questioned by the supporters of the bill, who argue they are redundant, costly, and contribute little to public safety. However, opponents argued that annual vehicle inspections play a crucial role in enhancing road safety, environmental protection through emission controls, and promoting regular vehicle maintenance. While the debate continues, it's essential to consider both perspectives as we evaluate the necessity of annual vehicle inspections. Now, let's get into this video and then we will comment on the advantages and the disadvantages, that is the pros and the cons of vehicle inspections going forward.
The bill on track to be signed by Governor Greg Abbott would make mandatory vehicle inspections here in Texas a thing of the past.
If signed, the law would begin in 2025, but it already has some auto shops bracing for what they say could be a catastrophic impact to their businesses. Here's KVU's Darren Shaharan.
Getting an annual car safety inspection is a dreaded process for many, but House Bill 3297 is set to eliminate the requirement, and that worries some people.
It's just a concerning thing because we're sharing the road with these vehicles.
Andrew West runs Tech One Automotive, where mechanics do 20 to 30 safety inspections a week.
It is a small part of our business, so it's not really going to affect us in particular, but some of those shops that's all they do, a dedicated state inspection station, it really is going to affect their business.
Or he says, possibly put them out of business. The annual safety checks determine if your vehicle is safe to drive by looking at things like your tires, brakes, and seat belts.
We do see those situations where tires are either worn or brakes are not stopping in a certain distance or the horn is not working or lights are not working.
Supporters of the bill say safety inspections are a scam.
Texas is one of only 11 states that still requires an annual safety inspection for passenger vehicles. And vehicle inspections are a costly and time-consuming process that provide little benefit to public safety.
If the governor signs off on the bill, drivers will still have to pay an inspection program replacement fee of $7.50 every year, which is what an inspection costs right now. The bill also requires annual emission output exams in populated areas, something West says is...
So let me pause there and let's explore three compelling reasons in favor of these inspections. And first, the annual vehicle inspections enhance road safety by ensuring that cars meet minimum safety standards, reducing the risk of accidents due to faulty components. The second reason is that they contribute to environmental protection by identifying and addressing high emission vehicles, promoting cleaner air. As you all know, it's all about the environment these days. And third, annual inspections encourage regular vehicle maintenance, preventing minor issues from escalating into costly problems and extending the vehicle lifespan. You don't want to go out there and next thing you know, something catastrophic happens to the vehicle, not knowing that a regular vehicle maintenance would have caused a problem that was bound to happen. Now, we're going to be looking at the other side of the debate where critics present three counter arguments. Let's continue.
Already a requirement in Travis and Williamson counties.
To make sure all of its readiness monitors are set, so it's checking for the emission system, the exhaust gas coming out, misfires, things like that.
It's a test he says more people fail compared to safety checks. Once signed, the bill would go into effect in 2025. In Austin, I'm Darren Shaharan.
Darrenisha, thank you. Now, a little bit of history here. Texas annual vehicle safety inspections have been around since the 1950s. And similar to now, inspectors checked everything from a car's horn to headlights to the wiper blades, if the cars back then had them. Now, back then, the inspection cost $1 at most garages. If drivers missed the deadline to get their cars inspected, they faced a fine of $200.
So it's all about inflation in today's market. Now, we're going to be presenting the three counter arguments. So the first one is that inspections incur cost and inconvenience for vehicle owners, especially leading to delays or skipped inspections. The second con is that some contend that the annual inspections may have limited safety impact, as they may not catch all potential hazards, as many accidents are caused by non-vehicle related factors. And the third, technological advancement in vehicle safety systems have made certain inspections redundant, as modern features can mitigate risk independently. Now, in closing, as we navigate this complex issue, it's crucial to weigh the pros and the cons of annual vehicle inspections carefully, as we did just now, considering their impact on road safety, the environment, and vehicle maintenance. Let me know your thoughts below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.